Question number 9. In question 9, we are given a right angle triangle and we need to find the missing angle x. Now, when it comes to right angle triangles, we have learnt Pythagoras theorem and SOHCAHTOA. So many a time students get confused whether to use Pythagoras theorem or to use SOHCAHTOA in a right angle triangle question. So always remember, when the question involves angle, which means either the angle is missing and angle is to be found, or the angle is given and we need to use the angle, in that case we use SOHCAHTOA and not Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem basically we use when two sides are given and the third side is to be found. So Pythagoras theorem only deals with sides. So therefore we know we need to use SOHCAHTOA here. SOHCAHTOA. Now which one of the three we will figure out by writing the names of the sides. This is the adjacent side as it is holding the angle, and this is the hypotenuse as it is opposite to the right angle. So adjacent and hypotenuse come into the car ratio, which means cos. So we have cos of the angle x is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. We need to find the angle x. So angle x has to be alone. So we need to push the cos to the other side. When cos goes to the other side, it becomes cos inverse. X is equal to cos inverse of 7 divided by 12. So you use the calculator. You have to press shift and cos, that will give you cos inverse, and in bracket write 7 divided by 12 and you get the answer as x is equal to 54.3 degrees. Next question, question number 10. A regular polygon has an interior angle of 174 degrees. Find the number of sides of this polygon. So first of all, when we are asked number of sides, so we should immediately think of the formula for number of sides. The formula is number of sides is equal to 360 divided by the exterior angle. We need the exterior angle, but we are given the interior angle in the question. So how do we use the interior angle to find the exterior angle? Interior angle and the exterior angle of a polygon add up to give you 180 degrees. So we have interior angle plus the exterior angle add up to give you 180 degrees. We already know interior angle is 174 plus the exterior angle gives us 180. Therefore, the exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 174. So that is going to give you 6 degrees. Now we have the measure of the exterior angle. We will plug it in into the formula to find the number of sides. So exterior angle, number of sides is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. So you have 60 sides. Next question, question number 11. Line L has equation y is equal to 4 minus 5x. Now before we move on with the question, the general form of the equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. The equation that we are given, y-intercept is written first and the gradient is written after that. So first we can rearrange it. Y is equal to minus 5x plus 4. Now it is in the form of mx plus c. So the gradient m is minus 5 and the y-intercept is 4. Now the question says Find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the line L. So if this line is called as line L, we need to find the equation of another line which is perpendicular to line L. So how do we use this line to find the equation of the perpendicular line? Well, there is a relationship between the gradients of lines that are perpendicular. The gradient of this line is -5. Therefore, the gradient of the perpendicular line, is going to be the negative reciprocal of -5. Negative of -5 is 5 and reciprocal is 1 upon 5. So negative reciprocal is 1 upon 5. Therefore, the gradient of the new line will be 1 upon 5. Also, it is given that the line that we are looking for, it passes through the point 0, 6. So if we write the equation of the line, the general form is y is equal to mx plus c. We know that the point 0, 6 lies on the line. 0 is the x coordinate, so we can replace it with x. 6 is the y coordinate, so we can replace it with the y value. So replacing here, we have y as 6, and that is equal to m, gradient which we found, m, is 1 by 5. X will be replaced by 0, and c is what we need to find. So 6 is equal to 0 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 6. We found the value of the gradient, which was 1 by 5, using the gradient of the first line, as we knew that there is a relationship between the gradient of perpendicular lines. So we found the gradient and we found the y-intercept using the plugging in of the 0, 6 point. Now we know that these are the only two requirements for finding the equation of a line. Therefore, equation of the required line is y is equal to 1 upon 5x plus 6.